Let's see the third part of the code. After we found the position, we create another for loop and we order the program to move from 0 until position -1. The position that we already have is 5. So 5 minus 1, it will be position 4. So we want the loop to move from 0 till position 4. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. If the loop moves from 0 to 4, we have Frida. So only these letters from index 0 to index 4 will be stored inside the box of first name. How? We identified the first name as an empty box. And with this code, we are saying that each letter from index 0 to index 4 to be put together in the first name. So they will be put in the box of the first name. That means if we move from 0 to 4, we will get the name Frida, and it is in the box of the first name. Now let's move to the code after that. Here, we also create another for loop, and we order the program to move from index, which is position +1. We already know that the position is 5, so +1. Let's see why +1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So according to the string that we have, if we start from 0, let's see where index 6 will be. Index 6 is directly after the space. So in this for loop, position 5 is for the space, and we don't want it. We want the first letter after the space, so position +1. In this way, we will get the first letter after the space. The loop will move from index 6 to entire length of the string -1, so 10. If we don't put -1, we will have 11, which is wrong, because it will count an extra character in the string that we have. So we put -1, so we can reach index 10. So the loop will start from position 6. That means it will start from index 6, and we have the full name, which is equal to 11. Look at the top, we have -1, so 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. So the loop will move from 6 until 10. After it reaches index 10, all the letters from index 6 to 10 will be stored in the last name. That means now we have a first name and a last name. Through this code, we stored each name in a box after separating them. Therefore, there will be now 2 new strings. So 2 strings, not 1. String 1 is the first name, Frida. String 2 is the last name, Smith. Now we know the code that splits up the string.